What is up, guys? DecaCrafter here, and today I'm going over how much money I've made in 1 month as a YouTube partner. So just about over a month ago, a month and a couple days now, I unlocked YouTube Partnership, which has allowed me to start making money from YouTube. The requirements are that you reach 1,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 hours watched on your channel. Now, the story really doesn't begin, though, within the last month. The truth is, I started YouTube all the way back in 2008, just over 12 years ago when I was 10 years old. And right before I was turning 11, actually, July 9th, 2008 is when I first had my first upload, and I turned 11 years old July 15th. And back then, if we look here, I got about no views. I really had no direction for my channel. I was very young. I didn't know what I was doing. And it doesn't show that I have any uploads then, and that's because I've privated all my old videos. In fact, my very first videos, unfortunately, when I was a kid, I did delete them instead of privating them. So if I have any tip for you guys, it's to private your videos. If you have old videos that you don't want seen on your channel, don't delete them. Those are memories you can never get back. But back to the video. We fast forward now around 2012-ish, or 11 actually. I had my first Minecraft video, and that video did fairly well. 2012, I had another one that actually did amazing, and every year I had teachers commenting on it, but I still was not going in any direction on YouTube. I still didn't have any, like, my videos were all over the place. It was a bunch of different games. It wasn't DecaCrafter at the time. It was just kind of me doing whatever. In fact, from 14 to 18, it changed between gaming to real life videos and a bunch of different stuff that didn't make sense. Now, if we go to the last year, just over a year, is when I started DecaCrafter. That's when I consider the birth of this channel. So, I started DecaCrafter with about 200 subs on my channel, and if we go to the last year, that's when I first uploaded how to host a Minecraft server and how to port forward your server, and then I did the Pixelmon videos. Now, the Pixelmon videos really changed the life of this channel because right after those, I got a bunch of views. In fact, I reached up to 500 views, I think over 500 views in a day, yeah. And to me, that was the craziest thing ever. I didn't think I'd ever reach that. But then the channel slowly started to die down. I noticed, okay, I need to start uploading more. So I uploaded a couple more times, watched the channel a little bit. I wasn't being consistent. I was caring too much about the views. Then shortly after, you all know the virus happened and we're all locked down. However, for some of us, it was kind of like a blessing in disguise for my channel. Now, I'm getting 500 to 600 views per day. And for me, that was something that I never thought was going, like, I didn't think that it was going to happen this quickly. Um, my channel just kind of had a boost. It tripled in views and in more than tripled in subscribers. I was getting, between 4 subscribers a week to now 40 almost in a week. And over the last year, I've helped so many of you set up servers, and I've gotten to know so many different people in the Minecraft community, and I've made a lot of new friends, and it's just been a whole lot of fun. But if we go to the last month, where I have been partnered, which, by the way, if you guys are watching my videos, something I do want to note is that like 99% of you aren't subscribed. So if I've ever helped you out, help you make a Minecraft server, go ahead and smash the subscribe button down there. It'd really help me out. And don't forget to like the video. Now, how much money have I made in the last month? You see there is, whoops, right over there, a little box covering the last segment there. Right there, the little black box. It says estimated revenue in there. You're going to see what I've made in the last 28 days as a Minecraft channel with 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That amount is $32.26. Now I make just over $1 a day on YouTube, nothing too major, nothing life-changing. However, a year ago I wasn't making anything, so thank you guys for subscribing, for watching my videos, and thank you for those that literally just came in here and started talking to me, and now we're good friends. Like, there's a lot of you that, like, we're really good friends, and I game with a lot of you also that watch my videos. So seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys. It means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see where the channel goes in the future. I do plan on making a Minecraft server, so stay tuned for what is going to be coming, I guess. I didn't really know what I was going to say there, but adios!